India, where the Aravalli Hills, one of the world's oldest mountain ranges, have been trending on social media. The hashtag Save Aravalli movement has captured public outrage over the Supreme Court's November 20th ruling, in which the court adopted the Environment Ministry's criteria that only hills rising 100 meters or above within the 500 meters range will be officially now recognized as a part of the Aravalli range. Now, the court also banned the grant of a fresh mining lease in the areas spanning Delhi, Haryana, Rajasthan and Gujarat until expert reports are completed. However, many environmentalists have warned that the new ruling that is coming from the Supreme Court could leave nearly 60% of the ancient range open to mining, is the big claim that is coming from the environmentalists. Even several leaders have voiced strong concern over the Supreme Court's recent ruling and stressed that mountains are crucial for groundwater restoration. But before that, have a look at the ground report from Aravalli Hills.
Save our air, save our water, save our future, save Aravalli. This is the clarion call that is being given by many protesters across North India against a recent Supreme Court order that redefines what is considered as the Aravalli range. Currently, Times Now is reporting from the Mehrauli-Gurgaon National Highway, where on your screens, you can see the majestic Aravalli range. Environmentalists warn that this is a death warrant against the Aravalli range. We're seeing protests erupt in different districts of Rajasthan, in different districts of Haryana. Even here, as we speak today, people in Gurugram have taken up protests, posters and in fact lodged a silent march at different areas in the city in order to protect this natural landscape. One big example that you can also see currently on your screen is how smog also that continues to engulf us, that appears to be more prominent than the mountain range also here. This AQI would be even worse if these ranges were under threat. Environmentalists say that when such a definition is in fact underway, then hills that are not 100 meters high will also be vulnerable to stone crushing and mining. Now, recently, Environment Minister Bhupendra Yadav had guaranteed that only 1 to 2% of such range will be mined, and this will be done because the Supreme Court also says that blanket ban only enables illegal mining. But all of this process is under stay. This is why we are seeing massive protests erupt in North India to save the Aravalli range. With video journalist Vivek, this is Kritika Tiwari reporting for Times Now.
And hashtag Save Aravallis is going viral on social media. Even several leaders have voiced strong concern over the Supreme Court recent ruling, and they stress that the mountains are crucial for groundwater restoration in many states like Rajasthan, and also pointed out that the destruction of the Aravallis could worsen pollution in the cities like Delhi NCR, affecting the daily life of the people here. Listen in.
देखिए, मैडम गांधी ने आज एक आर्टिकल लिखा और उसमें उन्होंने बताया कि अरावली हिल्स को जिस तरीके से तबाह किया जा रहा है, अगर अरावली हिल्स को तबाह कर देंगे तो बचेगा कि नहीं। दिल्ली के अंदर पॉल्यूशन की स्थिति इतनी खराब होगी कि हर आदमी के हाथ में सिलेंडर होगा और जगह जगह ऑक्सीजन के बूथ बने होंगे और लोगों को दौड़ करके ऑक्सीजन के लिए भागना पड़ेगा। ये स्थिति